You are going to watch 5 video clips. Watch each video clip carefully and keep an eye out of any developing hazards. Clip 1. You're driving on a narrow country road and approaching a tunnel. Slow down and assess the oncoming traffic before proceeding safely. Did you respond at the right moment? Let's take a look back at what happened. In this clip, you are traveling along a narrow country road, meaning hazards may appear suddenly. The confined road width requires careful observation. A narrow road sign appears, and a white car approaches from the opposite direction through the tunnel. Because the tunnel has limited space, the risk increases and you must slow down to allow the oncoming vehicle to pass safely. Now, let's review the correct marking positions. The highest score is achieved by clicking as soon as the narrow road sign appears, indicating a developing hazard ahead. You can still score 4 points by clicking when the white car first becomes fully visible in the tunnel. A valid score of 3 points can be gained by clicking as the white car continues to approach and the risk increases. A 2-point score can still awarded if you click at the moment giving way becomes necessary, after the black car has passed. The final scoring opportunity is the last safe moment to give right of way before proceeding through the tunnel. Clip 2. You are driving straight on a road. Watch for any developing hazard and prevent them by slowing down. Did you respond at the right moment? Let's take a look back at what happened. In this clip, you are driving straight along a residential road with moderate traffic moving in both directions. Everything appears normal at first, and there are no immediate hazards ahead. As you continue driving, it's important to stay alert, scan the side roads, and watch for any developing risks, even when the road seems clear. As you approach further, a cyclist begins to emerge from a side road. With traffic nearby and a truck on the right limiting your space, you need to manage both your speed and positioning carefully. Now, let's review the correct marking positions. The highest score is achieved by clicking as soon as the cyclist appears from the side road, giving you the earliest opportunity to react and start slowing down. A score of 4 points can be gained if you click when the cyclist begins to turn onto your road, allowing you to adjust your speed and maintain a safe distance. You can still gain a score of 3 points by clicking when the cyclist has completed the turn and is getting closer. A score of 2 points can be earned by slowing down when the cyclist is very close and a truck is on the right side. The minimal score of 1 point applies if you click after adjusting your speed and position to safely maintain space from both the cyclist and the truck. Clip 3. You are driving on a residential road. Stay alert for developing hazards and be prepared to adjust your speed early. Did you respond at the right moment? Let's take a look back at what happened. In this clip, you are driving along a straight road with light to moderate traffic moving steadily. The road appears clear, but you remain alert, scanning ahead and checking side roads for any developing hazards. There are no immediate dangers at first, however, intersections always require extra caution, especially when other drivers may be inexperienced or unsure. As you approach the intersection, a learner driver begins to emerge from the right. The driver hesitates briefly before moving into your path. Because learner drivers can be unpredictable, controlling your speed early, maintaining a safe following distance, and preparing to give way is essential to respond safely. Now, let's review the correct marking positions. The highest score is achieved if you slow down as soon as the learner driver starts to move through the intersection. A score of 4 points is awarded if you slow down when the learner driver appears confused and begins braking after entering the road. You will get a score of 3 points if you slow down once the learner driver clearly decides to proceed through the intersection. A score of 2 points is given if you slow down only after the learner driver has reached your lane. The minimum score applies if you react only when the learner driver suddenly stops, requiring you to slow down quickly to avoid a potential hazard. Clip 4. You are driving straight through a residential road with parked vehicles on both sides. Watch for any developing hazard and prevent them by slowing down. Did you respond at the right moment? Let's take a look back at what happened. In this clip, you continue driving straight along a residential road where vehicles are parked closely on both sides. The roadway feels narrower, and your forward view is partially restricted, meaning hazards may not be visible until the last moment. As you proceed, you actively scan ahead, checking gaps between parked cars and watching for movement that could indicate pedestrians or vehicles about to emerge. As you move forward, Two pedestrians suddenly begin to emerge from behind a large parked truck, temporarily hidden from your view. Because of the limited visibility, controlling your speed early, covering the brake, and preparing to give way is essential to respond safely. Now, let's review the correct marking positions. The highest score is achieved if you slow down as soon as you notice the pedestrians, even though they have not noticed you yet. This shows excellent hazard anticipation. A score of 4 points is awarded if you slow down, while the pedestrians are still completely hidden behind the parked truck, recognizing the potential risk early. You can still gain 3 points if you slow down when the pedestrians are not yet fully visible. A score of 2 points is given if you slow down only once the pedestrians become clearly visible from behind the truck. The final scoring opportunity is when you react at the last moment, slowing down only when the pedestrians fully step into your path and you must give way. Clip 5. You are driving straight through a town road. Roadworks are in progress on your left, which reduces space. Stay alert and be prepared to slow down early. Did you respond at the right moment? Let's take a look back at what happened. In this clip, you continue along the road while passing a construction area on your left. The narrowed roadway, warning signs, and work activity mean traffic patterns may change unexpectedly. As you drive forward, it's important to scan both sides of the road, watch for gaps, and anticipate the movement of construction equipment. As you approach further, a bulldozer becomes visible from the right side. After yielding briefly, it begins turning toward your lane, creating a developing hazard. To remain safe, you must reduce your speed early and be ready to stop if necessary. Now, let's review the correct marking positions. The highest score is achieved if you slow down as soon as the bulldozer becomes visible. This shows excellent awareness of potential hazards. A score of 4 points is awarded if you slow down when the bulldozer finishes yielding and begins to move. A valid score of 3 points can be gained if you slow down as soon as the bulldozer starts turning toward your path. A score of 2 points can be achieved if you slow down only when you are closer to the bulldozer while it is still turning. The minimum score applies if you react only when the bulldozer blocks your lane while turning toward you.